गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड मॉर्निंग व्हेनेवर यू आर सीइंग दिस वीडियो। आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है। सो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। um okay, so hopefully I'm visible and my screen is also visible, right? Okay, nice. So let's jump back to our dashboard. So this is our trading dashboard. Okay, let me see that I am live or not. Just give me a second, guys. Now, yeah, I think I'm live. Yeah, so it's fine. Okay, so guys, if you want to trade, what, let me set the context of the video. Why I am here for? I am actually a full-time software engineer and learning uh, trading part-time. And once I feel that I am confident in learning trading and I know a little bit of trading, and 50% or 40% of my trade results in success, right? And the success is big, then I feel comfortable and confident to trade in the real world. So if I'm not comfortable and I need practice, so I need a platform to practice. So I developed this platform, PaprWeight.com, uh, because I feel that although like this demo trading application is available in the entire broker industry, right? So you can take any of your demo trading application and start trading, no issue. Why I feel a gap over there? Because as a as a full-time trader, these broker provide you everything, every data, every insights, everything, no matter how because they need your money, right? You are investing real kind of money, and they they have huge investment, right? So they can uh, can give you all the luxury of the tools, right? They can track your progress. They will uh, they will emphasize you how you are doing, what is the volume of the trade that you're punching day to day basis, right? So they'd give you everything, but they lack giving you everything in a demo account. So I felt that gap, and most probably some of you also felt the same. So I developed this trading application, this demo application, as per my preference, so that it will track my progress daily, day to day daily basis, right? So whatever I'm punching the trade, it is basically, this is a real small summary, brief summary that today, see, today I haven't took any trade yet. So if I do how many trades I have done overall, so it will give you the result that total 45 trades have been done, and out of that 14% are profitable, 31 is loss. My total loss is 963, um, and my best trade is $512, and my worst trade is $306, right? So it will give you the entire brief history about how you're performing day to day basis. This is my order history. So this is my order history, right? So this is yeah, you got the point, right? So I enable some of the feature like this chart screenshot. Why, what this feature will do whenever you enable this? So whenever you punch the trade, uh, it will take the chart, the entire chart screenshot, and will, so that whenever you come back to the order history, then you can just see, oh, at that time the market was like it. So what went in my head? So you can just write it down here. This is the notes section, guys. So let me show you some of the notes where I put uh, put my notes in. Let me see. So okay, so these green color icon, the one with orange color didn't have any notes. So the one with which is having the green color is having the notes. So this is how you can write what went in your head when you took this trade, right? So that when you come back, you can just see that what mistake you have done, right? And one more thing, that is the note section that I'm showing you. This is the blue icon that will capture the entire screenshot of the trade, and you can just also write a note. So I since I generated a profit of $150, obviously this is a sell trade, right? So I punch the trade in down direction after seeing breakout of the green zone, right? So as I can say that because it's very hard but it is very hard for me to go to the exact Jan 8 755, although I can go like and see why at this price I punch the trade and this is a sell order, so I punch the trade in the down direction, right? So that I can go through and see the trade. But what if I already have a screenshot captured, so that I just go, this is the point that because this will exactly take the screenshot the moment you punch the trade, right? So I'm just saving because I wrote down some notes and yeah. So now it went and wrote this is now we have notes. Okay, note section. So this is how you you can do trading, and there is one more section. You go to the analytics section, so where you can just see that on this is the monthly diary, right? You can see that okay, on how many days you are profitable and how many days you lost the trades, right? And how many trades you're punching and on day to day basis, or are you over trading or not? So uh, um gradually I will gradually I will enhance this application, right? And once I enhance this application, you can see the changes, right? Let me get back to the trade again. Sorry. So whenever you're trading, I have some set of rules what I follow in general. So I would like to firstly I would like to delete all these EMA which is default, and I have some of my default EMA which works fine for me for a couple of months. So I did. So this 9 and 15 EMA, right? Hopefully, let me see how many viewers are there. Okay, so no one is watching. Cool, it's fine. Okay. So what we can do is, yeah. So I put two EMAs, right? One is 9 and one is 15. So which one is 9? The one which is closer to the candles is 9 EMA, and the one which is far, it's 15 EMA. EMA is basically the average of last. If the length is 9, it is the average of last 9 candles. If the average is 50, it's the average of last 15 candles, right? So this is how EMA works, right? Now, um, let me on this label also so that it will show me countdown to close the candle, right? What I do is like I have seen this. This is a graph for 5 minutes chart. What I do, what I want to see is, see I am as a scalper. I only trade for 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I the moment that I will be in the trade is basically 5 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, right? So I have to be I have to know in which direction I want to trade. I either I have to go long or I have to go short. So for this I have to know the direction of the market. So for this you have to zoom out a picture a bit. So this is the best way, like you can do that 4 hour interval, so that you can just see that 4 hour interval market is uh, market is in downtrend, right? For and you can just see that now it is approaching towards uh, this is the big buying area where market supported. This is support area, right? So still market is so far from the support area, so it is 86,000 and right now market is at 89,000, so it's still 3,000 more points to fall if the market wants to continue downward direction. So as per last 2 to 3 days concerned, the market is in down direction, and if we find any opportunity in the downward direction, we can so you can just see there is a one more channel that this is the zone where the sellers are active, and they constantly trying to push the market in downward direction. And if sellers are strong, then they can push the market to this area. So as you can see, all the sellers tried to push the market here, but somehow the buyers push the market in the up direction, and this pump from downwards to here means that there's a strong buyer presenting here, because this blue line says the picture says a lot, right? Now what we have to do is, like, we have seen that what is happening at 4 hour candle, market is in downward direction, and this is the selling range, right? So we have to see in the shorter time frame what is happening. This pin bar candle that we have seen in the 4 hour interval is this buying. After this, it has to continue buying, but for some reason now it's constantly um, moving in the sideways direction. So this EMA tells you a lot. This if it is overlapping each other or it is straight, then mean the market is in downward direction. Sideways direction. If it is trendy, if it is up or down, then market is trendy. So for 1 hour, market is in sideways direction, right? Because this uncertain buy happened, and nobody had, because market isn't very good selling trend, like, because see the direction of EMA, it is a downward direction, right? So it has to follow up till here, but as of sudden the buying started, unconventional buying, and because of this, market is like little bit of resting and waiting for the next momentum, right? So this is consolidation phase, and we have to avoid trading in this consolidation phase. We need to find the trend where the market is going. For now, there is no trend at all. So what we do, we will find the trend in the shorter time frame. What is happening at shorter time frame? So 15 minutes, you can just see. This is the range at 15 minutes. You can just see that uh, market is in selling range from here, and it has some things, little bit of buyers at this blue line. So I draw because this candle also suggesting the same thing. So we have this little bit of buyers here, and if the market breaks comfortably, then we will assume that market is in downside, and we will find a trade in the downward side direction, right? So this is how market is looking like now. Now coming back to the 5 minutes, because we usually trade in the 5 minute as a scalper. Now, okay, so this is the overview of Bitcoin. Now let's jump to the Ethereum. What is happening at Ethereum? So we will do the same thing and in the Ethereum side as well. For this, we will jump to 4 hours interval and make this EMA, um, two EMAs as of our. Okay, and one more thing is you have to see that bar to close the candle. As you can see that the same picture is happening at Ethereum as well. So we have a little bit of a strong selling buying zone at this point. So this is a support we have, and market is a trendy selling side for past couple of hours and days. So we will find the opportunity in selling side. We will definitely sell because market can come to this point, right? So let's jump back to 1 hour candle. What is happening at 1 hour candle? And let's see. So this is a selling range. Selling. Okay. So we can find a trade in the selling side, in Ethereum. So let's wait for a pullback. If there is a pullback, then we will jump in the downward direction, right? Because there is no such hyper buying like in Bitcoin, right? So there is a but Ethereum is in selling side, so we will try to find the trade in the selling side. Still 2 minutes and 35 seconds to close this candle. Let's see. Still, let's analyze what is happening at Solana. So we will do the same thing with Solana as well. So this is a repetitive step, and we need to automate it. So I will see how to automate it, because this is a free chart that I'm using from the trading view. So this is the trading view chart, and they have some paid prices as well, paid versions as well. And if I gain more number of users in this application, I will definitely buy their plan. Uh, because anyways I will charge you, because I have to pay to trading ways as well, and there are some other features that a little bit complex and takes some time. So why not to charge? And charging is literally like, it is because what I am paying for these trading views, all those things, I will charge exactly the same. I don't want to make unnecessary or more profit, because I don't want, because I want you guys to practice a lot, and it is, will make it very affordable, like a meal price of your day. So I will give you, I will plan according to leads, accordingly, so that it will be under your budget. So it will equivalent to a 1 day meal for a 1 month subscription. Yeah, something like that. So at 4 hour, you can just see that market is in downward direction. So let's see what is happening at 5 minutes. So Ethereum is closing. This candle is closing in 50 seconds, and we'll punch our first trade in Ethereum, because Ethereum looks good, for me as well, for me at least, like for a couple of minutes. So how long it take to analyze? Okay, 14-15 minutes. Nice. We will make an entry at this point. What is the point is 2935. But my stop loss is pretty much uh, before entering any trade, you just have to plan your stop losses as well. So 20 points is too much stop, too very big stop loss, guys. And we are not in the state to take such a big stop loss. What is happening at so in Bitcoin also, like we got selling opportunity. So everywhere the selling opportunity is lying, and we have to, let's see what is the stop loss that we can. It's 185 point stop loss. It's still big stop loss, but as if the trend is strong, guys, then if you are not able to get the price in the discount, then it's fine. That means that trend is strong and it will continue in the downward direction. You can make money. But if it is coming to the discounted price, then well, it's well and good. But it's better to not to get trapped, because after seeing this big selling candles, um, still, because the buying happened at this point for the two times, and after seeing this red candle, there might be a trap that okay, it can invite all the sellers, that I'm going in the downward direction, and please just come for more entry, and so many sellers come, and this green candle just making them out, right? Still 2 minutes and 9 seconds to close this candle. 1 minute and 30 seconds to close the candle. Still approximately 1 minute. Still 1 minute to go to close this candle, guys. We'll wait for. Let's see what is happening at 3 minute also. So 3 minute it came to the EMA and just closed as a big green candle after this selling. So this is a bit scary for all the sellers who jumped in, and this making this green candle bit awkward to them. Why it made sudden green candle? If I try to jump in now, stop loss would be very small, 71 points only. But I will wait because this is not the perfect entry that I am thinking of. Oh, this is Ethereum. Sorry, guys. So in 5 minutes, it's closing the candle. 5 seconds, sorry, and it closed in a big green candle. So this is not good candle for the sellers because after selling this red candle, there were so many sellers who just crying and might be squaring off their position and the stop loss, and this may continue till here also, and it may continue. It may come to this point. This point. It may come to this point, right? 15 minutes still. 15 minutes it broke down very correctly, so this is not relevant anymore. So market is in downtrend only, and it's confirmed because at 15 minute. Now we have to enter at the right candle because this is very important. Entering at right candle is very important. So it is crystal clear that we will enter in the downside, but when, that's the question. But such stop loss seems to be big, right? And we don't want to take big stop loss as of now. Let's see how this 15 minutes candle going to close. After seeing this buying, now market is going selling. Doesn't make much sense to me actually. But I should respect what market is trying to do in the The shorter time frame. So the closing of this candle is good. 3 minute closed very, very well. Almost closing in the downside. This is perfect entry candle for anyone who want to jump in downward direction. At least at 3 minute. So let me analyze what my risk looks like. My risk looked like 161 points at 3 minute. Still 3 seconds to close this candle. Very good candle, guys. Very good candle to take a risk on. I will take a risk if it will again come to this point. Just waiting for very good candle to risk on, and the second candle it just what is doing here? Just see this red candle. After making this red candle, market took U-turn, and then again red candle. Then again market making U-turn. So what it is trying to do, it is taking the stop losses of all the candles. Now this is very uncertain for me. What is happening Ethereum? Same thing. Again market is concentrating, guys. So this is the zone where the buyers are present, and as you can see that nothing is there. See this candle, see this 15-minute candle, how this closed. This is very good candle to take a risk on. I would definitely take a risk, and I'm going to take a risk, guys. I sold. Let's see at how at what price I have sold. I sold at 89,167. 89,167. 89,163,65,66,65,66,67. Somewhere here. So I sold at here, and this is my stop loss. The high of this candle, 123 points, and I will try to take at least 1:3. So let's see how this trade looks like. Stop loss is really small. The high of this candle only. I'm putting my cursor on the cross icon because as soon as it crosses 127, I will 120 points. I will close this trade. So it is going to that direction only. I closed my trade. I will jump again at $105. So my stop loss hit. Now I will definitely enter again, but not now. It was unnecessary. I will give the stop losses again and again. I again shorted at what is the 89232. 89232. 89. What is this? 89232. Okay. 89232. 23232. Okay, so I sold somewhere here. Wow. Again, my stop loss is very small, 113 points only, and my target is again 1 ratio 3. I squared off this trade, guys, because I don't think so which we have took the right trade. Although I never do this such kind of things because I can see that market is in the choppy range now. So this is the buying area. Okay, this is the buying area, and if market struggles to clear this area, right, then we will constantly give stop loss to the market. That's why I squared off this position, and I will enter again if market crosses this green zone, because I don't want to uh, l- give stop loss unnecessary, because you know that there's a buying zone, and from this it will take your stop loss again and again, because your stop loss is just above this candle, like this is your stop loss, so it is coming to hit your stop loss again. And so this is a range, market is in range right now, so this is how you trade in range. You sell at high and buy at low, or square of the, or yeah, that's it. So this is supply and demand range, and you have to respect it. So right now there is a this range is going on, and as soon as the market comes out from this range, we will get the direction actually. So what we are looking for is the direction. So right now I haven't took any trade. Those two trades are just counterpart of each other. Right now I'm still waiting uh, for for a good trade to to continue. Will not take any trade in the up direction because the momentum is so strong in the downward direction. Because we will not do a counter trend as of now, because that doesn't make any sense, right? Uh, we can sell again, but I'm just selling with point one. Uh, point one, then we have a loss of, yeah. I just sold at point one. Let's see, 89296. Just this is just a practice, guys. 89296, a short position. 89296. 89296. Where is 296? Yeah, this one. So I short it here, and my stop loss is $10. I will gain $10, $20 something. So we are almost 80% of the target. This is our target. $19.7. 80 $90 we will book. Okay, so just teasing us, guys. Dozy candle, guys. So it will make a move in the up direction, most probably. Why I punch this trade? Because I'm feeling a little bit bored. I shouldn't have done that. I squared up the position. That's a unnecessary trade, guys. Just because let's see what is happening, guys. So we came live at a very wrong time because the market is in. Okay, so In Ethereum, at least it is doing something. What is happening at Solana? Same thing. If Ethereum breaks this trend line, right, then we are more than interested in going downward direction, right? What is happening at 1 hour interval? Let's see what is happening at 1 hour. So at 1 hour, as you can see, this candle is little bit confusing, guys. Because if it is in downward momentum, then why this candle came? And after this candle, you can just see that market not is not in that. Uh, this scandal changed the entire structure of the market, because before this, market is in a downtrend, and after this candle, because this is the buying zone, right? At this point, because market have fallen a lot. After that, it has to stop somewhere. So this is the buying zone, and this is the massive buying zone. So many buying started at this particular place. So market is trying to. I think this is trying to. Uh, so after that buying zone, it retested its buying zone several times. Then it went up. So might be this is the testing time, because first time it tested and it reversed. Now I think it will definitely come to test it again. So let's see. I unnecessarily draw this line. This is basically telling us that, guys, this is little bit of buying zone. So much choppy range, guys. I'm my palms are itching, guys. I want to trade, but market is not giving me any opportunity for trade. Any opportunity, literally anyone. So what I can do is I can play with this range only, right? It comes down, I can buy it, sell over here, sell over here, buy over here, all those things. I should, but this is not a interesting zone, because you can see from this point to this point, it is only two to 300 points. We can make 2 to 300 points in one round trip. Let's see. Let's play with point 0.5. uh, what happened? We will give $70 or what? But we will gain around 100, 120, $150. Let's enjoy this this choppy range. Because we can try it at a shorter time frame because the stop loss is not that big. So the stop loss would be at 59 points. Okay, it almost went. Let's leave it, guys. Why we are doing chinni chori, chindi chori? Don't do it. Ethereum, at least you can give me a move. Please give me a move, guys. I'm little bit running out of patience. Oh, you're running out of patience, right? Ja. What is this, yaar? What is this? Oh, great, great, guys. So Ethereum is trying to give a move in the downward direction, and because it just broke this trend line, and let's see. So with Ethereum, we will trade with 30 lot, and our stop loss would be at uh, 90 points, right? So it is closing in 3 minutes 48 seconds. Ethereum is interested in giving a move in downward direction. Bitcoin is unnecessary dramatic. Okay, nice. So Ethereum is moving in downward direction, guys. Okay, nice. Just praying that it will close in at least close. Please close. Please close below this zone because after that, this is the entire range you have. You can just travel freely, freely. No one is stopping you. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice. Good. Good. You are doing something great. Oh, you can just see that as soon as it's moved down, 938, 933, just got pulled up. Guys, we have to avoid trading. Because I'm in 100% interested if it closed in downward direction, but it is closing in the up direction. And no, see, there's no point in trading in the downward direction now after seeing this candle. Still 2 minutes to close this candle. I'm 100% sure that this will close in the dozy shape because there is a pressure from both sides, top and bottom. And if this results in the dozy candle, sandwiched. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. We only have 15 minutes to for this live session, and as you can see, how the market is behaving. So everyone is similar, siblings of each. Okay, nice, nice, nice. So Ethereum is trying to close in the downward direction. In 40, still 40 seconds to go. Okay, nice. At least something is happening. Nice, good, good. At last. Oh fuck! Ethereum broke out, guys. Ethereum broke out, guys. Ethereum broke out. Bitcoin has also broke out, but it is not giving us entry. No, no one is giving us entry, guys. They broke out suddenly. Guys, cheating. This is cheating, guys. I am waiting for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and you broke out just like this. Are you want to move? Okay, where is that line? Oh, so it's very far. This is cheating at its prime. Now it is making nervous to punch the trade. Anyways, I'm entering. See, as soon as I enter, market is reversing. Crazy, crazy. Will not take any stop loss in this trade. We close this trade at point three or something. Uh, Unlucky day because what I'm trying market is going in my direction, but I think I'm not trading with discipline today, right? So not waiting for right candle to close or this candle be trade. How far it closed. I can't jump in this trade right now because the stop loss is to see 680 points, and I will not take this much of stop loss. I'm not in a state to take this much of stop loss right now. The right iteration is this. Also, I can't take stop loss to of 319 point as well. So I will decrease the time frame and see is there any possibility. Market is not giving us entry, guys. We were left behind and we have to enjoy the market to fall because it is not giving us entry. And it is very difficult to punch trade in the running market. Here it gave us an entry. This is the exact good entry point, but fall so suddenly that we are not able to enter. In front of my eyes it fall, and I am also drawing the zone that this is my green zone, that if the market crosses this I will make an entry, and it's crossed like a sut. Guys, in Ethereum it is giving us entry. I will enter with small lots, and because it is 100 points only and I'm okay with 100 points. I sold at what is my sold 92914 short range 2914. Maybe this is my stop loss, guys. 120 points, and this is my target. Okay, it is approaching my stop loss. See, this is what happening. I am getting stuck in the stop loss in the pullback. Okay, we got stopped out in this trade. I will take one more trade, and this is my last trade. Stop loss would be at this point. 20 more second to go. This closed in the dozy candle, which is fine. Sold. Let's see where I sold it. 8884. 8884 here. So this is my selling position, guys, and this will be my stop loss 104, which is perfectly fine to me. Upper EMA 110, 107, something like that, and this will be my target. Okay, so this is the trade that I am waiting for so long. I will accept both the things, either target or the stop loss. Both will be fine to me. Okay, I think we are wrong again. This is our last trade, guys. So if it will hit the stop loss, we will square off the position, and it is near to that only. Okay, so it hit a stop loss, and I just jumped out from my trade. So we took around 6 trade in this 1 hour, and out of that, three are profitable, three loss. So overall, our loss is $220, which is fine. So today's not our day again. We tried so hard, but eventually we got stuck and got trapped again and again. So it's fine. It's part of game. I will see you tomorrow. And till then, have a nice day, nice night, nice evening, and enjoy whatever you're doing, guys. Bye bye.